So one thing I want to start doing is just taking the height of cut down on my lawn. I want to cut it shorter, and you might think that's crazy for wanting to do it in the middle of summer, but that might be. But I want to see how it responds, I want to see how it looks, and just kind of play with it a little bit and go from there. So I'm going to take my lawn down and gradually get it lower. I think I want to go around 2.5 inches height of cut. I'm at 3, maybe 3.25 right now. So yeah, it's kind of windy. Temperatures are cooler. We've been getting some rain, have some storms maybe coming soon. So let's get after this and see what it looks like. So I did recently go pretty hard on the lawn. I had to double cut it because it'd been some time since I last mowed before then. So I am gonna bag this time just because I've already put a lot of material in the lawn recently and I don't want to put any more because I don't want to increase that thatch layer. So I'm gonna bag today. It's gonna take a little longer, but sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, that's done now, at least the front yard is, and I think it went pretty well for the most part. The grass is super thick and it's super tall. It's just really growing quite a bit, but for the most part it went pretty well. I just need to clean up the edges now, and I'm gonna clean up this edge in particular here. My neighbor has some plastic edging that he put around this planter, so I talked to him about doing a natural edge here and he was cool with it. So I think I'm going to do another video on just creating a natural edge on this property line here. I think it'll look a lot cleaner. Only thing I'd really change about this mowing is I wish I could have done it yesterday. Yesterday was the last night of my live stream. It was a lot of fun, my big giveaway, and I didn't get done in time to mow, and today was a watering day. So the grass is still a little wet, the soil's still a little soaked, but that's okay. We're making it through. We're getting it done. I think it's turning out pretty nice considering. So let's keep going. Okay, that's gonna go ahead and do it for this one today, and I think it looks really good. I took it down to about 2 inches, and that was a little lower than I thought I'd be going, but I think it looks good, and I wouldn't mind even trying to go a little bit lower. So maybe in the next couple of mows I'll just keep taking it down a little bit and see again just how the grass responds. But I'm really happy with how it looks right now. It's got a really nice color to it, nice deep green, and we're in the middle of summer right now. Like I said, cooler temperatures today, about 80 degrees high today, but we're gonna be back up into the 90s and approaching 100-degree weather probably within the next couple days or so. So, yep, that's gonna do it for me today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.